Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y33s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. Start by exiting Play Store and downloading your new default app. In my case, it will be browser. You don't have to open it, just download it. Then go into Settings, choose Apps and Notifications after scrolling down, and then scroll down again, choose Default Apps, and pick, in my case, Browser App section. Following that, you need to tap on your new default browser, in my case Opera, and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!